Hello folks, fellow YouTubers and friends. As promised, I was going to show you how I lay out a circle and divide it into however many parts I want. This system, all you need to pick is how many sections you want to cut a circle into, and it will cut it into that many. It doesn't matter whether it's 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, whatever you want. Just pick the number of sections you want to divide a circle into, and then what you do is, like I said, I don't know if anybody's ever done this before or not, and if they have, bless you. All I can tell you is great minds think alike. Okay, anyway, the formula is the number of sections times any unit you wish to pick, whether it be inches or a fraction of an inch or whatever. It doesn't really matter. It's times that deal. Metric system would work great because it deals in tenths, and using a calculator you divide it out and it comes to point something, and you don't have to convert it to fractions. But anyway, it's the number of sections you want times any unit you pick, divided by pi, divided by 2, is your radius. Now, we want to divide the circle into 11 equal parts, and I've picked 8 as my unit, 8 inches. Okay, so 11 times 8 inches is 88 inches, so we need a circle that is 88 inches around. Now, if we take that circle, the circumference, and divide it by pi, that will give us the diameter, which is 28. If we take to 28, the diameter, divide it by 2 is 14. So we need a circle with a radius of 14, which I've drawn here off camera to speed things up. Then, since it's 88 inches around, and we want 11 sections, so between each section is 8 inches. So, but it's 8 inches around the curve, not straight as a cord. So you take a piece of something flexible, plastic, band iron, steel band iron, anything flexible, and mark it 8 inches, and stick it in there, and then mark it. And then take your dividers and walk around it and mark your spots. And that cuts it into, right here at the tape, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, absolutely equal sections. Now, I don't want to pull any wool over anybody's eyes. This is accurate. It does work, and it works perfect. If it does not work for you, I can tell you exactly what you did wrong. You used a pencil like I did here, or you used a really wide section. Think about this 1 second, okay? If you were so much as a 32nd of an inch off because of your pencil line, you've got to multiply that 32nd by 11. That's 11 32nds. That's over a 5/8 of an inch. So if you don't do it the first one, absolutely true, you're going to be off when you come around to the end. That's all there is to it. That's why I used a pencil to do this for demonstration, and I taped it to here. I tried to make the demonstration really easy for you guys out there. I tried using a easy erase or dry erase pen, but it's so wide I couldn't even get close. I was inch and a half off all the way around. You've got to use a scratch awl and dividers with sharp points, because what happens is they make a line so fine you can get off, but you're not going to be off that bad. Trust me. The thickness of your lines make a difference, especially if you were going to cut this circle into 28 pieces. Now, 28 pieces at an 8-inch unit would be 28 times 8 would be your circumference. Therefore, again, like I said, the bigger you make the circle, the smoother the arc, the easier it is to measure between them. I want everybody to try to understand this. It's the number of sections you want times whatever unit you pick, divided by pi, divided by 2, gives you the radius. Take your unit, mark it out, take your dividers. Now, the unit is not straight across. It is with the curve. Now the dividers, once you take the dividers from point to point, it's straight across, but it is point to point. It does copy the curve, so then you can just walk it right around, and it comes out absolutely perfect. Now, here is the little secret most of you out there already know. It's no big deal, but some people won't think about it. Once you divide this circle into 11 equal parts, all you have to do is connect all of those lines like so, all the way around. Then you take your finished diameter that you actually want, set your dividers at that radius, like you want a 10-inch diameter, then you want 5 inches and draw you a circle, and with all the lines, that circle will divide that circle into 11 equal parts. Now here's the beautiful part about it. It doesn't matter what your finished product is. As long as you do it this way, then you take your finished diameter, go around, and it does it. I mean, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I hope everybody understands that. If you don't, ask me any question you wish. That's what I'm here for, to help. And I've gotten a lot of help from you guys out there on YouTube. Thank you very much. Bye.